One more in this set, and I promise you I won't be so angry and in the next one. This is inspired by one of my favorite bands, Steely Dan. You may recall they won a Grammy finally for their album Two Against Nature. And that's the title of this poem, Two Against Nature. And you may, if you know that album, you'll recognize references to some of the songs through it. Two Against Nature. The dildo Dan vibrates and stimulates my inner ears with oral cum, stealing consensually into my toy-fixated mind. I believe I'm creeping out my grown stepdaughter playing Cousin Dupree in the car on the way to the mall midway between City Hall and some Just Us center. I only meant to turn on Jack of Speed, not really thinking about the song to come after. But don't worry, my negative girl. Though you've grown like a rose, you're nowhere near almost gothic. And I'm not about to be played buyer owing wills on a silver screen anon, a Blu-ray machine, or like anywhere in between these chord changes. Though I don't mind making you orally absorb an, oh, bleak more of this seedy, steely dance. Thank you very much.